well, as you guys know, I'm a lighting freak. Yes, sir. We're fixing on putting on some strip lights that I bought. So we're gonna do that right now. And I figure out where I'm gonna put them. Okay, cool. This is 3M. So if this stuff turns out to be pretty good, I'm gonna go get some more of it. Oh, damn it. What the hell? Wait a minute. Do we have issues? What the heck? You gotta put that shit on yourself? That's kind of bullshit. I guess you wasn't supposed to pull that much off of it. Well, son of a biscuit it was. That's nice. I thought you just pulled the brown tape stuff off and then it was still stuck on there. But nonetheless, we'll figure out a way how to still use it. Well, this may fall off in a couple of days, but or it may fall off here in just a minute. Who knows? We'll go get some stuff that actually works. Way back in just a minute. Okay, yes, I know it's uneven, but it works. That look nice. That looks nice, don't it? Now I can basically light up my toolboxes at night. It's got a little momentary, well, here I'll show you. It's not a momentary switch, but, or it's just a switch on here. It's on and off. It's a little delayed, but it's supposed to have like a sensor. Yeah, there it is. When you open it up, it should come on. It's like a, yeah, see, look, when it goes shut, see it there? And then open it up. It's a little delayed, but see? That's gonna be nifty. Now it's time to do the other toolboxes. Because I've been wanting to have this, to have lighting in my boxes for a long time, and it's pretty expensive, and there's not like a lot of room in here to put lighting. But since this stuff it's only 24 bucks, I mean it's pretty cheap, really. I mean it's expensive, but it's cheaper than, you know, having the full lighting system put in there and having to wire it and stuff, and a lot easier too. I mean, just turn it off, and that way you don't waste battery, and then when you get in here at night, you can just flip it on and give it a second. comes on. There it goes off. That's nifty. That's nifty. Me likey. Time to go get the other 2 boxes done. It's like I said, it's only like 24 bucks at TSC, so definitely worth it if you guys are looking into it. I just kind of found it tonight. Got one problem with my truck. You see that? It's supposed to come on. They ain't working, so I gotta figure out that. But anyhow, that's just a quick little video. I had a little screw up clip in it and make it kind of a video for tonight. But anyhow, please comment, subscribe. Catch y'all on the next one.